The purpose of this brief video is to share a couple of strategies for organizing and locating files in Google Drive. I think most of us use the Google Apps Launcher when we need to create a doc or a slide or a new form. In my observation, I have watched many staff members and students go to the Google Apps Launcher and then select the application that they need to create. Let's just say Docs for this purpose. Give it a minute to load here. Okay, and then what I watch people do is create a blank document. All right, so I'm just going to type sample, maybe, and title my document. Okay, so we all know that Google Drive automatically saves. So if you were to finish with this document and just close it at this point, where would it go? Where would it be saved? Okay, in reality, this document has just been saved to Drive, into the wide open cavern that is Drive, but it isn't organized in any way into a folder. It is absolutely possible to determine where the file is saved from here. There are a couple of easy ways to do that. One would be to click here on the file folder icon and choose where I want this file to be moved to. Once it loads here, you'll see that I can move it to any one of the files that I have. You also can go to File and do the same thing here through the file process by clicking on Move To. All right, but if you don't do one of these things, then this file gets added to Drive, and we all know we have them, I do too. All these unorganized, sorry, I have a lot of folders, all these unorganized documents that are just hanging out there. And then those are hard to manage. Those are hard to locate. So if you are going to the Google Apps Launcher and going right into slides or to docs, I'd really suggest that you add the step of using one of the options of moving this folder, of organizing this file into a folder. Another approach would be the one that I actually make. When I go to the file launcher in the morning, I go to Drive. And I operate out of Drive all day long. I never choose any of the individual applications from that file launcher. So what I do is I find the folder where I want the file I'm about to create to reside. So let's say that I want it to reside. Oh, that's not a good option because that one isn't even mine. Oh well. So this is the folder into where I want my new doc, sheet, slides, or form to reside. So I create the new slide, doc, sheet, form in the folder where I want it to be saved. That way, I don't have to worry about remembering, to decide where I want it saved at this point. I can create my file, I know that Drive automatically saves, and I'm good to go. Both options work, but as you can see, you do need to be purposeful about determining where you want a file to go in Drive. Otherwise, that file will be in that unorganized territory of Drive, and no one likes looking for files there.